Welcome to Embellish Home with Felicia. In today's video, I will show you how I DIY'd gold metal wall decor. I'd like to say thank you for the new subscribers. It really warms my heart and encourages me to keep going. I hope you enjoyed this video, so let's jump into it. For this project, you will need safety glasses, a wire cutter, ring hooks, Gorilla Glue sticks, and a glue gun. You will also need a foam brush, a small paintbrush, 14 karat gold metallic paint, classic gold, black spray paint, and a hairdryer. You will also need pot lids, and I thrifted these from the Goodwill. After cleaning the lids, I removed the handle. Next, I took the wire cutter, and they have several different holes for cutting different size screws, and then clamped part of the screw off, leaving enough screw to put the ring hook on later. Next, I took the 14 karat gold paint and started coating inside of the lid and continued to coat until I started to get texture, and then I turned the paintbrush in different directions so the pattern would be sporadic. For those who haven't subscribed, please consider, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. After I was satisfied with the texture, I used a blow dryer and dried the paint. Next, I took a cosmetic wedge in the black paint and started to paint the inside rim of the lid. Next, I started painting the outside edge of the lid. Here, I'm taking the classic gold and adding more dimension. After the paint dried, I took newspaper and covered up the inside and then sprayed the outside of the lids. Last, I took the ring hook and hot glued it normally where the handle goes. So let me know, what do you think? Compared to $325 for the inspiration photo, I'm pretty happy for a couple of bucks on how they turned out, and it looked great next to the abstract art I painted. But I would love to hear your thoughts. Would you hang up pot lids in your home? Thank you so much for watching Embellish Home with Felicia. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video. And by the way, check out my how I DIY'd a marble accent table. Have a blessed one, and I'll see you in the next video.